Water is life. Are you drinking unhealthy water? Is your water causing you some bad elements like vitamin deficiencies or growth related issues? When to drink water, which water is safe, how much water you should drink? To know the answer of all these questions, please watch this video till end. You will know the answer of all these questions because water is life and water is essential. Welcome to another interesting session of Vedahar. I'm Dr. Shubhangi. Do you remember when was the last time you had non-RO, non-UV or non-bottled water? We are so much dependent on all this UV, RO and bottled water. This video will wake you up. Various studies globally shows that the tap water is more safe than the bottled water. This kind of studies shows the same result in India also. In 2016, a quality comparison study was conducted in Kolkata. It was between the bottled water and the municipal tap water, and the results were very surprising. The municipal tap water was more healthy than the bottled water, which was very costly. Earlier, these bottled water companies were using the term mineral water, but actually this water is demineralized. So FSSAI and BIS forced them to use a term packaged drinking water instead of mineral water. So when you next time buy a bottled water, think on this point before using it. The water is treated and all the minerals are taken out to lower the TDS of this water. What is TDS? TDS is total dissolved solid in water. That means how many things like minerals, impurities, bacteria, viruses, some heavy metals, all these things include in TDS. The recommended TDS level of drinking water is between 150 to 300. Water above 300 and between 500 is considered as fair, and above 500 to 900 is considered as poor, and above 900 it is considered as very bad and it has to be treated accordingly. Do not consider the purity of water with its test, because the best test of water comes at the very low TDS, about 75 to 60. The low TDS water is more hypotonic, that means it dissolves the substance very easily. The water is stored in the plastic bottle for a very long time and the plastic gets dissolved in this water. The pathetic logistic conditions and no temperature control adds to it and allows more and more plastic to dissolve in this water. This kind of water is carcinogenic to your health. That means in a long run it can cause you cancer. So be aware whenever you are drinking a bottled water next time. Another talk of the town is alkaline water. Alkaline water means a water which is having pH more than 7. Ideal pH for drinking water is between 6.5 to 8.5. Our body has different pH at different levels. If we drink alkaline water for longer run, it will disturb our digestion. Body has to secrete more and more acid to balance this pH. So alkaline water is of no use. No any concrete study is there to prove the effects of alkaline water. So don't invest too much in alkaline water, it is of no use. Now at home we are using RO purifiers, UV purifiers. How you will choose your filter? If your water TDS is above 900, then and then you need RO purifier. Otherwise RO is of no use. It is unnecessarily causing you some bad elements and causing you some diseases. So firstly check the TDS of your water. If the TDS is above 900, then and then only use RO water and put your output TDS is up to 350. Your TDS of water is very important as you should get the essential minerals. The TDS meter is easily available everywhere. You can just buy the TDS meter and check the TDS of your water. What is RO? RO is reverse osmosis. In RO system, the hypotonic water which have very low TDS, it passes very forcefully through the plastic membrane. As water passes through this membrane very forcefully, some amount of plastic also get absorbed in it. As this water is low in TDS and hypotonic, it has tendency to absorb substances very easily. so some amount of plastic also get absorbed in this water. Secondly, RO system take out some essential minerals also from the water, like calcium, magnesium, even cobalt. Cobalt is very essential for your B12 levels. Water low in cobalt level shows the long-term effect of B12 deficiency. Drinking water low in magnesium ion content can cause cardiovascular disease, preterm labors or preeclampsia-like conditions in pregnancy. Even in kids, it produces low bone density and kids are more prone to fractures also. So it is not good to use RO water. If you are staying in an area where you get municipal corporation tap water, then you are already getting filtered water, which has TDS between 500 to 300. At this stage, use of UV and UF filters are recommended. UV filters kill the bacteria and viruses from the water, but it does not filter it. So, a UF rod is attached to it, which filters these sediments. But I would suggest, rather than using water passed through these high radiations and plastic chambers, same results you can get by just simply boiling your tap water. Boiling water kills the harmful viruses and bacteria from the water, keeping the essential mineral content intact. Just boil your water in a stainless steel utensil. Keep it in a boiling stage for 2 to 3 minutes and then let it cool and store it in an earthen pot or a matka. Matka helps the water to balance its TDS and also its temperature. So it is very good to use a matka for storing your water. Do not use plastic bottles to store your water. Whenever you are traveling, use a copper bottle or a stainless steel bottle. Do not use plastic bottles for this. Now let's see what Ayurveda says. When and how you should drink the water. Ajirne vari bheshajam, jirne vari balapradam, bhojane cha amrutam vari, bhojanante vishapradam. Ajirane vari bheshajam, that means when you have indigestion, vari, that means water, acts like a bheshaja, that means a medicine. Jirane vari balapradam, that means when your food is completely digested and when you drink water at that time, it gives you bal, that means power. Bhojanante vishapradam, that means whenever you eat your food, you complete your food, immediately you should not drink gulp of waters. It can cause you vishapradam, that means it can cause you bad effects on your body. So drink water 20 minutes after finishing your food. It will give you bal, that is power, and also it will help in your proper digestion. Now let's understand how much water your body needs. Ayurveda has given a complete answer to this. Ayurveda has described 13 types of urges like sleep, urination, or sneezing, all type of urges your body shows you. Thirst is also one of them. So your body is the best guru to tell you how much water you should drink and at what time you should drink the water. If you closely monitor your body, you will see there is a repetitive cyclic pattern of these urges. Your sleep time, wake time, your hunger time, the same way your body will tell you when your body needs water. So please do listen to your body and do not delay or ignore these urges. So drink water whenever you are thirsty. Drink 1 glass of water at a time. Do not take a large volume of water and gulp it at a time. Sit calmly and drink your water. Secondly, Ayurveda has given a tremendous importance to Ushappan. That means drinking warm water empty stomach in the morning. You can add a simple herb like amla powder or cinnamon according to your doshas, according to your prakriti, or according to your body type. Do not add honey in warm water. It is strictly prohibited in Ayurveda to add honey in any warm thing or heat the honey. It can cause the bad effects on your body. Do not add honey in the warm water. Instead, you can add a lemon juice or simple herbs, or you can simply drink the warm water. It will detoxify your body and it will give you an immune booster. Always drink lukewarm or room temperature water. Chilled and refrigerated water should be strictly avoided. When you drink less water, your body shows some signs. Dry skin, dark yellow color urine, cracked lips, cracked soles, all these are signs because of less water intake. If you have any of these signs, please increase your water intake. So, a small correction in your water drinking, the timing, the way of drinking water can help you countlessly. It will give you a detoxification, boosting immunity, wrinkle-free skin, proper digestion, healthy skins. All these are because of the drinking proper water on time. And so listen to your body and drink water correctly. Please subscribe, like and share this video with your near and dear ones. Please write in the comment box how you like this video, and if you want video on some specific topic, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.